do you feel the perfect day?
What do I feel about it? It's perfect. That's what it is. Woo!
Huge incentive today.
Amazing. So 50 plus developers, over 130 projects. Special unique incentives just this weekend.
Yeah, you can't miss it.
You can't miss it. Come over. It's not too late yet. Come over.
How do you feel about the perfect day?
It's going great. It's so exciting. There's so many agents with their clients getting amazing deals. Here at our Melbourne table, we're happy to offer amazing incentives for this weekend only.
Yeah. If you're missing, come tomorrow.
Last day.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Jake from Meta Realty, and I'm here with my good friend Akshay Segal of Remax, one of them. We don't know which one.
Remax plus City Team.
Remax plus City Team. What do you think about Perfect Day so far, man?
It's absolutely perfect.
Wow, no one could have predicted you would say that. No, but seriously, 60 projects.
60.
I don't even know how many developers, insane deals. Akshay himself brought one that's crazy. Why don't you tell us about it?
Yeah, so it's at 88 Jameson St. Catharines. It's got a 4% credit on closing, 1-year condo fee credit, extended deposit. Amazing opportunity here for you to get your buyers in here. There's so many agents, so many great projects. Jake, what have you sold? Tell us.
We've sold a couple in Calgary so far. We also have a few buyers on the way for Kipling Station, Nautique condos, a bunch of them. The fact is that there's something for everybody here. We have end users, we have investors, we have people looking for short closings, long closings, cash flow. It doesn't matter.
Townhomes, detached, everywhere across the city. If you're not here, you're really nowhere. Why aren't you here?
Yeah. I mean, people say the market's slow, the market's dead. Look around, pan the camera, look around. It is absolutely
very busy.
Slammed in here.
Hi there, it's Ru here at the Perfect Day. Mr. Johnson, how do you feel about today's turnout?
Well, my friends, great to see you. Today is really perfect. We got assembled all these developers, marketing companies, my company included, and I'm so excited because we got a lot of people. Just take a scan of all the people around here. We got activity that's going on. And it's because people really want to find out what is happening in the market nowadays. You and I both know what's happening in the market, but a lot of the buyers, they are scratching their heads and wondering what is going on and why should I enter the market right now? If you have that question, you come here today, right now, you can get those answers that you're looking for.
Well, here we are at the Perfect Day, and it's a perfect event. It's a perfect start so far. We got huge developers, big brands, one of the biggest events we've seen in a long time. All the big realtors are here. Obviously, Center Court, we have a ton of great incentives at Kipling Station Condos. Vicky, the entire team, you did a great job. This is as good as it gets.
Hello everyone, it's Tanaz here at the Perfect Day. We have Akron District for you here. We're from Austin Birch. I'm sure you all know that. If you don't know that, we're from Austin Birch, and we're waiting here for you to see you make this Perfect Day even more perfect.
Well, today Perfect Day has been a great day for Minto communities. We're offering our Northwell condos along with our 123 Portland, and the turnout has been tremendous. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Vanessa from Addy Developments here on Perfect Day representing for Nautique Condos. We're so excited to be here. We have the hottest projects, biggest incentives. Can't wait to come and sell out with you guys tomorrow. Hi, we're having an amazing time at Perfect Day. If you don't have a chance to come out today, come tomorrow, 12 to 5. It's a great turnout. We're having a lot of fun, so I highly suggest coming by.
Hi everyone, we're here at the Perfect Day. What an amazing event. We have hundreds of people coming through. Thank you so much, Vicky, for having us.
Hi there, my name is Jess Fruity. I'm from 1111 Realty. We are so excited to be here today for the Perfect Day. And as you can tell, looking at everyone around us, this really is the perfect day. Today we're bringing you projects in Niagara Falls, Fort Erie, Stratford, Ontario, some incredible investments, amazing opportunities for you and your clients. And if you are unable to make it today, don't worry, we're also going to be here from 12 to 5 tomorrow. Hope to see you this weekend. Thank you so much.
So we're glad to be here at the Perfect Day by Bay Street. Market Vision here is having a fantastic day here. There's some incredible deals to have for all 3 of our projects. And we'd like to thank everyone, and this is great to be here.
Hey, hi everybody, how you doing? I'm BJ Prashad, I represent Intuition Realty. So I just wanted to say Perfect Day has been nearly perfect actually. We've had quite a few people come through, lots of potential clients, and really looking forward to working with all these people to sell them something. That's what we're looking to do. So I hope everybody else has a great day, and we're having a fantastic time.
We're so excited to have you join us today. If you can't come today, come tomorrow, please. We're here. It's such an amazing event, so busy. We have here for you Northbound Bayview, Richmond Hill, Terrace Park Towns in Markham. Come take advantage of all these amazing incentives here at the Perfect Day. What an amazing event.
Hi guys, thank you for joining us at Perfect Day. And we have a great incentive for LSQ project by Almadav. Don't forget to join us if you missed today. We are here tomorrow as well, 12 to 5. Join us tomorrow.
So yeah, as you can see, it's completely packed. It's been busy non-stop all day. We're very excited. We're getting a lot of good feedback, and we hope to do this continually, and we're doing it tomorrow as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Linda Fong. I'm the sales manager from the Daniels Realty Corporation. We're so excited today at the Perfect Day sales event. We're introducing our Daniels Unparalleled with great exclusive incentive. For South Tower 2-bedroom larger, we'll be receiving a free parking and locker combo. We also have great price incentives for our Hillsdale project. If you haven't had a chance to visit our booth, we are still here tomorrow from 12 to 5 p.m. We're looking forward to see you all.
Hi guys, we're at the Perfect Day event. I'm with Emblem Developments. This is an amazing time to invest in the market. All of the builders have gotten together. Everyone is giving amazing incentives. For us personally, we're giving the clients a 4% credit on closing, a very extended deposit structure never seen before. So take advantage of this weekend, bring your clients in, and we're here to help you out. We'll give you all the information on the project. And we're here.
Hi everybody, we're here today at the Perfect Day event by Bay Street Group. It's been a phenomenal day. There's so many people here, so many different projects, so much great product. We're here at the Hirsch & Associates booth. We have Nick here, we have Jenny here. If you have any questions, any of our projects, we have Pacifico, we have Fenland Lakes Club. Anywhere your heart desires, we can find it for you. Come by, check it out. We'll see you tomorrow. We're here from 12 to 5.
It's a crazy day today here at the Perfect Day. We got over like 500 people. We just opened up at noon. Very happy for the success. Looking forward to future events like this, and happy that all these agents are collabing together, working together, and negotiating amazing deals to bring to for the purchasers.
Yeah, we represented Cipriani, Miami residents. This is Michelle from Miami. She flew here last night for this Perfect Day. As you can see, it's super busy, and we have amazing incentives for Canadians who want to invest in Cipriani residences in Miami. 100,000 discount, a buy and fly program. So if you buy, we take you to Miami, 3 nights, hotel and flights included, plus no closing costs, absolutely zero closing costs, which is 1.75% of the purchase price. So come visit us in the Perfect Day. We have today and tomorrow to guarantee these incentives for you.
Hi there, my name is Marianne. I'm the sales director at Baker Real Estate. I'm here at the Perfect Day event in Markham. This is a fantastic event, builders, developers coming together to support each other. And we're here for you. We have some fantastic deals, so please come down and see us. We're here Saturday and Sunday.
Hi everyone, you should be here at the Perfect Day event in Hilton, Markham. The good thing is we have so many projects here all in one roof, so it's a one-stop shop for you. You can see many developer projects. Of course, come see us at Rad Marketing. We have a Hamilton project from Corktown, Foray Forest Hill. All the industry expert is also here, so come speak to all the sales reps, sales teams, and developers. You're gonna get very nice incentives here. See you soon.
嗨，大家好，我是Rebecca， 那我是 Kingdom 这边的代表。那么今天很高兴呢，参加了这个 Perfect Day 金融街举办的 Perfect Day。那么我们今天呢，在这里有很多的客人和经纪朋友们呢，都来捧场，然后了解我们的项目。那我们在这个 Perfect Day 这个活动呢，今天和明天本周末呢，会有很多的 special incentives。那么我们非常期待与大家相见，然后希望大家可以在赶着这个时间呢，就可以拿到更多的这个优惠。好，那我们希望在周末相见，拜拜。
I think the Perfect Day is going very well, and this is a great weekend with perfect developers, perfect incentives, and perfect projects, and your perfect opportunity to find the best investment property.
Hey guys, I'm Alan from Greywood Developments here at the Perfect Day event, August 12th and 13th. It's been an amazing day so far. A lot of great conversations, lots of deals being done. You got to get here and check it out.
Hello everyone, it's Ru here from Marlin Spring. We're at the booth here at the Perfect Day. We are promoting 2 excellent projects from Marlin Spring, above condos in Mississauga, and the main in the Danforth Village. Come check out our booth today from 12 to 5, and we have amazing incentive for the perfect days only. So come check us out.
The Perfect Day, this is an amazing event. Thank you so much to Bay Street and your group for putting this together. Everything you want is here. If you haven't come today, come tomorrow, 12 to 5.